this is Scott. Today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's line of pierced wood veneer ceiling medallion. Ceiling medallions have been around for centuries, and historically they were molded on the ceiling around the chandelier by a craftsman using plaster. It was a tough process. Around here we love ceiling medallion. We will make medallions out of any material we can get our hands on, including urethane, metal, thermoform PVC, PVC product, carved wood product, and our newest innovation is the pierced wood veneer ceiling medallions. When it comes to designs, we didn't take a lot of liberties on this product because we created it. We have contemporary designs, more like this. Then we have very traditional designs that have a lot of curves. It's a beautiful product. When it comes to sizes, we manufacture two different thicknesses. We have a 1/4 inch product, then we have a 3/8 inch product. We also make them in diameters from about 16 inches up to 40 inches wide. So let's talk about the material for a minute. It's manufactured from a hardwood veneer. There's something important about it though, because one side is meant to be finished. The other side is not a finished grade product. We manufacture this in a cherry veneer, in walnut, in oak, in maple, and in a birch veneer if you want to paint it. As with any product we manufacture, we always have the installation in mind. Installing this product is super simple. It is as easy as applying a high quality urethane glue to the back of the product and then finish nailing it into the ceiling. When it comes to finishing, this product is made out of high quality veneer. We highly recommend just a quality wood stain or a polyurethane. If you follow those directions, you will have a beautiful ceiling medallion. As I mentioned before, we love ceiling medallions. We have ceiling medallions pretty much in any kind of material you can think of. For more innovative and interesting ideas just like this, check out our website or give us a call anytime.